So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first go to your phone menu, then after that scroll and try to search for your Google Play Store. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, try to search for Snapchat. So when you find your Snapchat, just tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do is to update your Snapchat. So tap on the update over here. Then after that, after updating it, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for your settings. So when you find your settings, tap on the settings. Then after that, search for apps and notification. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on see your apps, then wait for it to load for you to see all your apps. So when you get over here after loading, just tap on the search apps at the top and try to search for Snapchat. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it, then tap on the first stop, then tap on OK, tap on the storage and cache, tap on the collect cache, go back and tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is toggled on. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, then make sure the background data is toggled on. After that, go back, then you tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed. As you can see over here, mine is allowed. Go back and tap on your power button for some while to restart your device. Now tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any question, just drop it in my comment section below. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and also share this video.